Do you want to hang out this weekend? Are you free tomorrow? Let's do something fun. What do you want to do? How about going to the movies? Do you want to grab some lunch? Let's go shopping together. I'd love to. That sounds great. I'm not sure yet. Let me check my schedule. I have plans that day. I'm free after 5 p.m. I'm busy in the morning. Can we meet in the afternoon? What time should we meet? Let's meet at 2 o'clock. Where should we meet? How about at the station? Let's meet in front of the cafe. Do you want to go to the beach? I know a good place to eat. Want to try a new restaurant? Let's go for a walk in the park. We could watch a movie at my place. Do you want to come over? I'll bring some snacks. Can you pick me up? I'll meet you there. Let's take the train together. I'll be there at 3. Don't be late. Sorry, I'm running a bit late. No worries, take your time. Plans changed. Can we reschedule? Let's meet another day. How about Friday night? I'll text you the details. Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it. That was so much fun. Let's do it again soon. Thanks for today. What are you doing this weekend? I want to go hiking. Are you in? Let's plan a trip together. We should go bowling sometime. I haven't seen you in a while. Let's catch up soon. Call me later, okay?